Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be trying to do water nails or pool nails, so if you're interested in learning how to do this with me, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm going to be using a gel polish kit from Model 1s. I got this kit off of Amazon because you know me, I need that 2-day shipping, okay baby? So anyways, this kit came with 40 different gel polishes. 36 of them are actually gel colors. The other 4 of them were a top coat, base coat, a primer, and a matte top coat. And so I'm not going to be swatching all 36 of these colors, okay, because you know I got things to do, okay? I got things to do. So I am just going to kind of show you some of them that looked a little bit eye-catching. I'm just, open the bottle, let you get a little peeky poo at them, But there's so many different colors in here. There's lights, darks, there's even a white and a black. I was like, oh my goodness, this kit literally has everything in there. There's red, blue, well, I think there was a red. Yeah, there's a red. There's oranges, greens, purples, glitters. It has it all. All. There's even purples. There's, I think, a gray. Literally all the colors you could ever want. They in here, baby, okay? They in here. But for today's video, since I'm going to be trying to do the water nail, pool nail trend, I'm only going to be using like 2 different colors in here. So that's the base coat and the top coat. And then you also get in here a matte top coat and then a nail primer. I was like, what the heck is this? A nail primer? It's one of those like I use in all my other videos. I put this on the top layer of the nail so that it makes it prepped and it makes it not smooth. It makes it like sticky. And so I'm just showing you a couple of more little colors. There's some glittery ones in here. One day, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I'm not ever gonna swatch all these, but there's a lot. There's a lot. Some more glitters. And these are little travel size bottles, okay? With all these different colors, you don't need no bigger bottles because y'all ain't gonna never use all these up in your life, okay? Never. There's just so many. I don't remember how much this one cost, but it was pretty affordable if I got it, okay? You feel me? So, and this green, I think I might have picked this one up and opened it twice. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I was kind of like, ooh, maybe I could do some green pool nails, like a pool on Mars with green water or like swamp water. See, ain't nobody even doing none of this stuff I be thinking of, y'all. We gotta get creative. We gonna do some swamp water nails. But we not gonna do that today though. Yeah. Okay, so I tried to find some of the blues that were in here. So this first one I picked out is a really light kind of sky blue. And I was like looking on Instagram and I was looking all over YouTube trying to see what color blues did the other girls be using. And they, kind of use different color blues. Some use a little bit darker. Some was like a little bit darker than this. But this one, I was like, let's just see how it would work because I ain't never did this before. I don't know what I'm doing. So I just mixed up some base coat and some white. And I know you're supposed to put a thick or thin layer, just put some type of layer of the mixed up white. So it's like a milky white over the blue. Okay, so I'm doing that right here. I'm just trying this, okay? I don't know what I'm doing yet. I mean, I know now because this was pre-recorded, but at that time I didn't know what was going to happen to me, okay? So then I just took a dot of base coat and I took my dotting tool and I'm just making little dots, and the dots you're supposed to do the dots on top of the milky white color while it's still wet. You don't cure the milky white yet. Now, okay, here's a big mistake I made. I took the dotting tool and I just kind of mashed the circle in, And you can't really see it on camera, but in person, I was like, oh, okay, I shouldn't have been touching it like that because you could see like little swirls of white, like hard white pieces in there. So I was like, oh, okay, I probably shouldn't be touching that. You know, you just kind of want to drift the base coat in there to make the circles. And so this was, it was like, it was working. It just wasn't very noticeable. It was kind of like clear pool water, like pool water on a foggy day. Can't really see it. But um yeah, so that's how it came out. I think I tried it with two other colors or one other color, so but anyways, the concept worked. We just gotta find a color we like. Okay, so I think I found a color I like. It was another one that was in here. It was a little bit darker blue, but it was jelly. It was a jelly color. It's kind of see-through. So I was like, okay, I think that's what I've seen some people use, is kind of a see-through color blue. Then they put the milky white on there, and then they do the dots. So I mixed me up a new thing of milky white, and then I'm putting the dots on there. I can't remember at this point if I had learned to stop touching the actual nail with the dotting tool, but look at how these is coming out. You can see the little water drops of the, oh, okay, I did two to test them out, and this one I had liked it the best. So here's how all three I tried out worked. You got the foggy day pool water nails. You got ones that's like kind of been splashed in, but the water's kind of settled. And then you got on the far left the freshly splashed pool water nails that everyone's doing. All right, so now I got my little red iguana hand. This one is the color Lucy, okay? And I'm using the nail primer. This one, it doesn't say if it's acid-free primer or not, but YOLO, okay? We just gonna go ahead and use it. It ain't my hand, so I don't really care. So I'm doing a layer of that over each nail because I don't really like buffing the nail to make it unsmooth because you get dust everywhere, and I want to do this quicker rather than get dust all everywhere and then clean it off and then put a base coat. No, I'm gonna just do the primer and then I'm gonna go straight to the polish. So I'm gonna be doing 2 full nails of this blue, and then I'm gonna do the 2 nails in the middle about halfway up because I'm gonna try to do an ombre on them. I say try because you'll see we didn't really do a good job on that, but that's for later. Okay, so I'm to the point now where I'm going to try to ombre, do the first step of the ombre on the blue nails and on the 2 middle fingers. We do have 2 middle fingers, okay? On this channel we do, okay? So anyway, I'm taking this kind of feathery brush. You can, if you just type in like fan brush on Amazon, it'll come up, okay? I don't know when I got this, where I got this, but that's what I'm using to just try to lightly tap up that blue so that it kind of fades up to the upper half of the nail a little bit. And then you're gonna see after this part, I'm gonna take a pinkish nude color and I'm gonna try to do the same thing downward. And it didn't, I mean, we worked it out, don't get me wrong, we worked it out. We gonna make something work, okay? But it didn't look that good up close and impersonal, but it's okay. So first what I'm doing, I mixed up my white, okay? I'm going to do the pool water on this first nail because we want the Sunday after church, kids fresh in the pool, just a splashing. That's the type of nails we want. We don't want the settled down water that ain't got no bubbles in it. No stale water, probably. Okay, sorry, I'm getting a little out of control. Okay, so I feel like I've already kind of explained what I'm going to be doing in the rest of the video, so I'm going to just let y'all finish watching the rest of the video, and you'll pretty much be able to understand what I'm doing because I done already explained it to y'all. But if you don't understand something that I'm doing, just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to it in a couple of days, okay? Yeah.